Hi, I'm Dave. I need a job in data. We're going to look at job descriptions on LinkedIn, run it through AI to see if it can give us a real world mock simulation of what I would be doing in the job. Everything from, maybe developing a report, pulling data, things like that. So that's what we're going to do. So let's look at some jobs. Hope for the best here. Never done this before. All right. So as you can see, this is my chat GPT. This is the project jobs, resume, cover letters, and building a data project. I originally had it as a Medline Industries job description. I don't want to do that because that job requires travel. And I don't want to travel. So I'm going to look at different jobs. So again, LinkedIn has its AI feature now. So here, I want to see if I can get it to use it. Business. Okay, let's just do data operations analyst jobs. Okay, so I think LinkedIn must have switched back to the original format because or maybe it's just on the app because these aren't the AI searches. So I'm gonna probably not have the location up there. Maybe am I gonna have to blur the entire locations, or are we gonna be okay? Let's come into my house. I'm fine with on-site, remote, or hybrid. I'm gonna do 50 miles because Woodstock is kind of one of those suburbs of Chicago that's far. Okay, so we get 17 results. Business intelligence specialist, Ray's Coca-Cola bottling. Friday, nice little salary. Okay, so design, develop, implement, maintain BI solutions, managing project execution, supporting front-end user interface solutions for reporting and analytics while collaborating with team members and stakeholders, conduct data analysis, and maintaining systems, translate business requirements and data finds into technical specifications for effective BI solutions, whatever that means. Select and implement appropriate BI tools and technologies based on project requirements, ensuring alignment with business needs. Perform complex data analysis using Snowflake. I don't know what Snowflake is. Let's see. What is Snowflake? Snowflake company. Snowflake AI Data Cloud is an American cloud-based data storage company headquartered in Bozeman, Montana. That sounds like a nice place to live. It operates a platform that allows for data analysis and simultaneous access of datasets with minimal latency. It operates on Amazon Web Services, Azure, and Google Cloud. Okay, Snowflake platform. A single fully managed platform that powers the AI data cloud. Snowflake securely connects business globally across any type of scale to productize AI. Man, all these terminologies, man, I just don't understand. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna go, I don't want to lose that. So explain this to me like I'm 5 years old. This is on Snowflake's web. Imagine Snowflake was like a giant toy box in the cloud, but instead of toys, it holds data like numbers, pictures, words, and more. Now imagine a bunch of kids, businesses all over the world want to play together using stuff in the toy box. Now a bunch of businesses want to play together using stuff. Make sure everyone can play safely so it's secure. Everyone can use the same toy box. All data is in one place. And they can build cool things like AI and apps using the stuff inside. And guess what? You don't have to clean up or fix any. Snowflake takes care of all of it for you. That's what fully managed means. Snowflakes help people use data to build smart things using safely. So you can build AI and apps and it holds just data. I guess that's simple. Okay. So going back to the job description, you're performing complex data analysis using Snowflake to identify trends and create sophisticated data models to drive insights. Okay, that makes sense now. I would understand what I am doing that. Collaborate with stakeholders to define key performance indicators and develop visually compelling Power BI reports and dashboards. Travel 10%. Okay, so maybe these jobs require travel. I'm not sure why though, because the Medline job required travel. Why does this job require travel as well? 10%. So that means every 2 weeks I'm traveling. Closer to 1 to 2 times a month. Implement data governance, quality assurance practices with Snowflake to ensure that. Okay, so requirements. Business. I do have a bachelor's degree in business. Computer science, 4 years of Power BI experience, including Snowflake, SQL, data creation, and DAX. Business knowledge, data warehousing concepts like Azure, knowledge, ETL, and reporting tools. Preferred, master's degree, 2+ years experience in business intelligence, data analysis, knowledge of. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We don't have any of this crap. We don't have any of this. I'm not super useful, but what if we can learn it? What if AI can help us learn this? Join the leading beverage. So we're just gonna run this through AI, baby, and let's see what happens. Let's just see. Can we get something useful? I'm gonna copy based on this job description for business intelligence specialist at Ray's Coca-Cola bottling. And then we put the job description in. Boop. And then we write, what does this say? Give me 5 data simulation projects. 5 data simulation projects I can use for 5 data. Okay, this is all messed up. Simulate 5 data projects based that I'm terrible at writing, potentially do with that someone in this position could do, and then step by step show me how I can do the projects so that I can put them on my resume. Okay, so what happens? Not be there. Minimize this at all? Perfect. Based on business and role, here's a breakdown of 5 simulation projects you can do that align directly with the job responsibility. Service and flavor how to build one of them now. Power BI sales and route optimization dashboard. Simulates Coca-Cola sales plus delivery efficiency by region. I would use Power BI, SQL, and DAX. I would have 12 months of beverage sales, route cost, delivery time, returns, and product types. Snowflake data governance audit. Ensuring data accuracy, consistency, and compliance with data warehouse. Snowflake SQL mock finance supply chain. Territory level KPI explorer. DAX driven executive dashboard. High level Power BI dashboard built for C-suite visibility. Rolling 12-month sales. Let's build one. Project 1, sales and route optimization. Data set setup. Build or request a data set with the following fields. Make 1,000 rows. Ask me to generate it for you. Well, I'm going to ask you to generate it for me. All right, we might have it, folks. We might not. Who knows? I'm downloading it now. That's what I think. I don't know if it's going to, I have no idea. Because I know I had it with my dad's business. My dad is dead. Thank you, Dad. So we'll see. But, okay, so while this downloads, let's look at some of this stuff. Make 1,000 rows, just generate it, open Power BI, load data sets, set data types, clean and model the data, create profit equals revenue, remove nulls, duplicates, create return. Can you bring in the package that was delivered before you leave? Yes. I'm gonna go do that now, because we're still downloading here. I have successfully completed. To close this wizard, click finish. The wizard. All right, we're loading up, baby. Here we go. Share. Microsoft Power BI. Let's do it. Sign in. Dark mode. Oh, give me dark mode, baby. I do not like white backgrounds. My Facebook is dark. My ChatGPT is dark. Give me the dark mode. Highly requested. Yeah, it is, because it's better. And that is an objective fact. My Google Docs is dark. Is my Google? No, my Google Docs is not. I am a hypocrite. Goodness gracious. Add new calculations to your visual. Okay, I don't know this stuff. Enter Power BI desktop and Power BI service work better together. Sign in, enhance your collaboration, and access organization. Okay. Live. That's just having me sign in here. Can't sign in a personal account. Use work or school. So I don't know if this is going to work because it says I had to sign in to use the service. 32-bit. Okay, well, I have time. Okay. What's the difference between 32-bit and 64-bit? I don't know the difference between those things. All right, so we're gonna go back to the ChatGPT screen here, and we're gonna look at this again. So then I would use query editor to remove the nulls and create profit, return rate, and return units sold. Build relationships if using multiple tables. KPI cards, bar chart, map, table, line chart, filters, slicers, add DAX measures, save and document the project, add a summary page, create a one-page summary PDF. Okay. Design an interactive Power BI dashboard using SQL and DAX to analyze territory level sales and deliver fish across 1,000 beverage deliveries. Identified 12% cost savings opportunity by optimizing high cost routes. Recommended to generate the starter data are built different one from the 5 ideas above. Starter data set, baby. Give me that freaking. Give me that starter data set. Boom. Let's see, baby. Come on. It's analyzing. Starter data set is ready. Before we get into this too much, I am going to make a folder here on my computer. Dave needs a job in data. Videos, data, projects. So I just created a folder just on my computer for it. Just so I can manage stuff correctly. This data set contains 1,000 simulated Coca-Cola product deliveries, including territory, and next, you can load this in Power BI, subscribe for and start building dashboards. Sample. I don't know if that's helpful. Okay, so is this something that's in the job description? I don't know. I don't know if this is in the job description, but I have to start somewhere. I don't think this is going to be super helpful for me getting the job, but but this is just a start, right? This is a start. I don't think this is in the job description, like optimizing a route or whatever. I don't think that's in a job description, and that's probably something that they have already built 1,000%. I think they have already built this. But I need to start somewhere, okay? And it's giving me step by step, and let's do it. Like, because all this data has to come from somewhere. Okay, so where does it come from? Where is it? I guess the term indexed company. So this is something that they definitely built themselves. They definitely have this already. But you know what? I have to start somewhere because I suck. So I'm okay with sucking for now. So I'm downloading it and I'm going to go to Power BI. Let's get data from an Excel workbook, which is what it was. All right, sorry, I need to share my screen so I can share the Power BI screen here. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So then you can see. So this is Power Query. So I think I'm just going to hit transform data just so, because it's easier to edit in Power Query. I believe, again, I've used Power BI somewhat, okay, but I don't really know what I'm doing. See, okay, so like all this stuff right here, this text at the top, this like formula, I feel like that learning where that come from is, oh, what did I do? Okay. Like this data, the thing is, this data is clean. Data like this is not typically clean. So like I almost I almost need data that is less clean. Going here. I don't know where I'm going. Next. Okay, so the next, so load your data set data types properly, date, number, text. Okay, I think they are, but the thing is, they are because like it's a mock data set that they came up with, that it came up with, so it's like gonna be right, you know? I think. Oh no, the type. Okay, so how do I change the type though? Whole number, date. Aha, date. Wait, the I'm gonna add new step. I'm gonna change this. My mic is on, please. Holy cow. My mic was on this whole time. I'm going to change type of date. Territory. Change type of first column to date. Units sold. Revenue. I guess that's fine. Delivery time in minutes. Cost. I wish there was like a dollar sign, right? Right? Don't I wish that was the case? Returned units. Okay. Whoa, what happened? No. So now what do I do? Set. Okay, I did that. Remove nulls, duplicates. How would I guess I don't understand. Create. So that's like a column. Enter data. Add column. Gosh, dang it. This is confusing. Adds the values in the currently selected columns. Create a column that contains the values in the first select minus values. Oh, so, okay. Okay, so I can, okay. So let's go back. Okay, so profit. I need to create a profit column, which is equal to revenue minus route cost. So revenue, select minus route cost. Select both. 1, 2. Add a subtract. Inserted subtracted column. So we're losing money on a lot of these. Transform base values. Rename profit, which that checks out. We're not making a whole lot of money here. Alice is losing us. Alice, you need to sell. We're gonna fire you. Revenue minus route cost. We're not making any money. Bob is making money. Deanna's making money. Who's making the most? Close. With 100 units sold, for 229 dolls, for a profit of 174. Maybe we'll just say this is $229,000, costing him. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so now that we did that, again, we're going slow because we suck. Return rate. So return rate would just be units, returned units minus returned units sold. Returned units minus, wait, minus what? Minus units sold? Okay, so here we go. Add column. Returned units, select, minus units sold, add column, subtract. Let's rename this to return rate. 6 minus 100. Return rate. That doesn't make sense. Return rate would be like a percentage. Well, duh. I need to divide. I'm an idiot. Inserted profit column. So I need to change this. Okay, I'm just going to return the column. Move the column. So return. Return units minus divided by units sold. The values in the first, that's just ugly as all can be. It's right, but it's ugly. There we go. Now time to create the visuals, I guess. How do I? Okay. I'm probably gonna ask ChatGPT what to do here because I'm a little stuck. So KPI, total revenue. Okay, so let's see. KPI card. Where's the KPI card? Total revenue, delivery time, return rate. It wasn't thousands. I was right. I'm gonna have to stop here because I gotta go pick up my son. As you can see, I'm not good at this. I'm bad. I don't deserve a job. As you can see. But you get to see it. Filters on this visual. Can I add another card? That's what I want to know. It's like I need cards. Wait, it's total revenue. Is that total revenue? Where is it getting this number? Oh, all right. I gotta get going. Frustrating because I'm not. Okay, let's save. All right, we're gonna save this. I mean, maybe I wonder what if I could just ask AI to do it, what it would do. Like, can I ask AI to give me a Power BI model? Like, do exactly what it's saying? But that doesn't help me learn. Could I do that in the real world? I don't know. Well, this might be 2-part video, or I might just make it one video when I have more time, but I have to stop right this second. So, bye for now.